Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can copy and paste edit format of a picture in Photos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Photos app, then tap on Library or Albums, and in here select the photos that you want to edit. Next, tap on the menu button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on Copy Edits. Next, we tap on the back key, and if you want to paste that format to another picture, so for example, say this one right here. And in here, we're going to apply the format. So I'm going to tap on the menu key and tap on Paste Edit. And you can see it will automatically copy all the formats from the previous picture and it will apply to this picture here. And in here you can see there is an option to copy edit or paste edit, or you can revert to original. And that's it. So that is how you can apply the copy and paste edit format in Photos on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.